Managing your child's phone can feel a lot simpler with Google Family Link, and I'll show you the basics in under a minute. Family Link is Google's free app that lets you supervise your child's Android device or Chromebook and manage key settings from your own phone. Before you start, you'll need your Google account, your child's account, or a way to create one, and their Android phone or Chromebook nearby. First, download the Google Family Link app on your own phone or tablet from the App Store. Next, open Family Link and either create your child's Google account or connect the one they already use. Then follow the prompts to link your child's device and sign in on their phone or Chromebook when asked. From there, you can set daily screen time limits or a bedtime schedule that fits your family's routine. You can also approve or block app downloads and in-app purchases, so there are fewer surprises. You can check app activity to get a quick view of where your child's screen time is going. You can also turn on available content filters for apps, search, browsing, and videos to make things safer. If location is enabled, Family Link can also help you find your child's device or check where it is when needed. Family Link works best alongside open conversations about safety, trust, and healthy phone habits at home,